Hello everyone, if you grow tropical fruit trees or trees that like acidic soil, this video is perfect for you because I will share with you some tips how to reduce the pH level in your soil. This is Long and thank you for watching my videos from GreenMangoes, and if you're new to the channel, please support us by subscribing and hit that notification bell. That way when I upload a new video, you'll be able to get notified and watch my new videos. For today, I'd like to share with you a very simple tips that will help you success in growing tropical trees or any type of fruit trees that require more acidic soil. For us here in Las Vegas, when we test the soil in our backyard, the pH level are around 7.5 to 8.5, so it's quite alkaline, and the neutral is around 7 or so. But for most fruit trees, for example mangoes, lychee, longan, even blueberries, they do prefer more acidic soil, so the pH level range from 5.5 to 6.5. For that reason, today I like to share with you the product that I use to reduce the pH level in your soil. And in addition to that, it also adds iron, zinc, sulfur, magnesium, and copper to your plants. And these nutrients are very important to your trees because they help add chlorophyll to your plants. And without enough amount of chlorophyll, it doesn't help photosynthesis to be able to get energy, create energy for your plants. And when you don't have enough energy, then trees are declining and it invite pests and disease to your plants. So make sure you apply zinc, sulfur, magnesium, and iron to your plants as well. And this product I bought from the nursery is one for all. It also it has sulfur, which reduce the pH level in your soil. And in addition to that, it has all those elements for your trees. And it is in a liquid form. My other method is soil sulfur, and this is a slow release. If you apply this to your soil, it doesn't change the pH level of your soil immediately. It takes about 5-6 months until the soil get to that point. So this is a slow release. So I apply this twice a year to my soil. And if you growing your plants in a pot, then you can get by applying for once or twice a year. But if they are in ground or so, I like to add this maybe 3-4 times a year because the soil here in Las Vegas is very alkaline. And please do your research, test your soil, make sure you know at what pH level your soil is at, and then after you apply this, you can test again. I've done this many times, so I kind of know about what time of the year and how much I should add already. So play around with it, and after a couple of years or so, you can understand where you at with the soil. So with this slow release, I add about twice a year in my potted plants, and 3-4 times on plants or in ground. This is in liquid form, so it helps change the pH level on the soil a lot faster. And I apply this before the spring, before the buds are coming out, and after you harvest the fruit. So for this one, make sure you read the instruction note from the back. And this one, it says, let's see here, I believe it's 2 tablespoons every gallon of water. And I used the 55 gallons rain barrel, which I will mix this with water in. So 55 gallons of water approximately with 2 tablespoons. I'm looking at 100 tablespoons for that barrel there, and I mix it and our water in the plants I have around my yard, including in ground and in pot. So that's the only tips. And the reason why you want your pH level to be down from 5.5 to 6.5, because those are the requirements for those trees. And if, let's say, a mango tree, so blueberries that like acidic soil, and your pH level is at 7.5 to 8.5 or 9 to alkaline, what happens is when you feed nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium to your tree, it doesn't, because the alkaline, it doesn't help your tree intake those nutrients. So essentially, the tree doesn't eat or drink the water that you feed it at all. So it's slowly declining and dying. So for the most part, when you grow tropical trees or any trees that do require more acidic soil, and you don't apply soil sulfur or soil acidifier to your trees, you can tell that it's slowly dying and it doesn't thrive. So make sure you follow this instruction, and hopefully this will help your trees. I know that this is common and you might know the information already, but for those of you who been having trouble growing your tropical trees and any fruit trees that you grow, please be sure to research into what type of soil and the pH level, whether the alkaline soil or acidic soil, and then amend your soil so that way your plants will stay happy. And so now I will mix this in the barrel and apply it to my trees. Thank you for watching today. Have a wonderful day.